You're cool in any grade, but you wouldn't know that. Probably because you yourself or something.
Dude, we don't have the money for those tickets.
Doesn't even matter. We could out a way, but you're too busy figuring out a way to yours flies.
Wow, sounds like your life sucks.
Extra.
Fist pump? You know what kind of go to those concerts?
Pussy niggas, Merry Christmas. Bitches taking pictures cause we keep on getting richer. Say a nigga name, you know you fucking with them killers. Walking through.
Two for fist pump.
$50.
What? But I thought they were 50.
$400 tickets are sold out. All that's left is super deluxe front row seats.
Coffee.
As you can see, I am poop.
Yeah. Oh man, I didn't know deluxe tickets were coated in Hey, what the? This isn't coffee.
You will die.
You morons! Get back here and help me pick up my balls!
Ugh. Oh, sick. It's all sweaty.
Woo! I just threw my
Dude, wake up! They're about to come. Crap.